Welcome again to All Maths with Faye. This is the third video on the series addition and subtraction of positive and negative integers. Okay, before we go today, let's quickly explain this, which I exposed you to in my two previous videos. When you have positive of a number, it means the quantity of what you have, okay? And when you have negative of a number, it means what? A debt which you should pay. Then when you have minus multiplying minus, it should give you positive. Positive multiplying positive should also give you positive. But when the sign are different, like minus multiplying positive should give you negative. And my plus times minus is what? Negative. In short, when the sign are the same, the product should give you what? Positive. And when the sign are different, the product should give you negative. Now let's go to this, right? Now we have, in today's video, we are explaining addition and subtraction of positive and negative number in brackets, as closed brackets, as a matter of fact, multiple brackets. Is that okay? All right. So today we have a big bracket 2 plus minus 2 in a smaller bracket plus another minus 2 in an outer bracket. So let's start with this. You have, in this big bracket, we have 2, okay? Now, plus multiplying negative, right? Plus minus 2. This is a single bracket, okay? This is a single bracket. Let me say this. This multiplication applies to single brackets. Okay, you will see later. In this single bracket, plus minus, that gives us what? Minus 2, okay? So we are clearing this bracket, closing this bigger bracket, plus minus 2. Okay? 2 minus 2. This person is having 2 and is owing 2. You must pay your debt in maths. He pays his debt, he's left with what? Nothing. 0. Now coming here also, plus multiplying minus 2, give us what? Minus 2. 0 minus 2, this person has nothing and is owing 2. So his debt still remains. So he's still owing 2 because he has nothing to pay with. For this, number 2, you want to make the mistake of saying 4 then minus is minus plus 3 plus times minus minus 5. And that may give you positive 2. But that is wrong. Why is it wrong? You won't jump 2 brackets and come and multiply this minus by this minus, because there are 2 brackets there. Okay? Why not, in board maths, let's address each of the brackets one after the other, because there are 2 brackets here. You just don't jump and multiply this with this. Okay? So let's do it in the proper way. So we have 4 minus, let's address this brackets, okay? Which is what? Minus 3 plus is minus 5. Is that okay? Plus is minus 5. And plus and minus give us what? Minus. So minus 5. Now, what is happening here? This person, this should give us 4 minus. Let's treat this bracket now. This person is owing, I'm dealing with this bracket inside now. This person is owing 3 and owing another 5. This person inside a smaller bracket is owing 3 and owing another 5, making a total debt of what? Negative 8. This should not be stressful for you if you have been following this video. Okay? Now we have what? 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8, giving us what? 4 minus is minus plus 8, and the answer is what? Positive 12. Remember, this person is having 4 and is having 8. Okay? Now I've explained this issue of half and debt from the first video. So if you have not seen that, please check that. This person is having 4 and is having 8. So it's having 12 all together, no debt. And that is our final answer. Let's take a look at this third one. We have minus 2 plus a big bracket, housing minus 7 minus 9. Okay? Minus 2 minus. We cannot just multiply these two because it's a double bracket here. Are we together? So let's deal with this bracket inside, which is what? Minus 7 minus 9. And that gives us minus 7 minus times minus plus 9. Okay? So if we should simplify it further, we should have minus 2. Let's not open that bracket for now. Minus 7 plus 9. This person is having 9 and is owing 7. Okay? He's going to pay his debt from the 9 he's having, and he's going to be left with 2, which is his money, no longer a debt. So we have minus 2 minus plus 2. Okay? Minus 2, this minus, and this one gave us what? Plus 2. Giving us, remember, minus 2 plus minus times plus minus times plus, giving you what? Minus 2. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Giving us what? Minus 2. And that should give us, this person is owing 2 and owing another 2. There is no positive to pay with. So the best we can do for her, him or her, is to find the total of what he or she is owing. And is owing 4 negative. Because this is a debt and this is a debt. So he has a total debt of 4. That's negative 4. So remember, when you have double brackets here, the take home for this lesson here is when you have a double bracket here, please don't go ahead and multiply the signs together.